Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get notifications from one person only on Snapchat. The other day, I realized my Snapchat notifications were getting a little out of control, especially with group chats and random snaps popping up all day. So, if you want notifications from just one specific person, there's a simple trick you can use. I opened Snapchat and went straight to the Friends or Chat tab, then tap on the conversation with the person I actually wanted notifications from. After that, I'll tap on the three dot menu in the top corner and open the notification setting for that chat. The important part here is making sure that mute chat and mute calls are turned off for the specific contact. Then for other chats, you can mute their notifications so they stay quiet. Once that's set up, Snapchat basically only alerts you when that one person messages you. It's honestly a nice way to keep the app calm because sometimes you just want to hear from one person without your phone buzzing every 5 minutes. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.